Welcome to another Linux Terminal Commands for Beginners tutorial. For this video I will talk about the manual pages, ls recursive list option, and ls sort list by size option. Let's open up the terminal. A manual page is the documentation that accompanies a software package. Commands that are packaged in your distro of Linux have manual pages. Also, additional software you install onto Linux have manual pages. Manual pages can be accessed via man command, where command is the command you want the manual page for. Let's take a look at how to navigate a man page. I'll open up the man page for the ls command, man ls. You can navigate one line down with the down arrow key, and one line up with the up arrow key. Navigate a full page down with the page down key, and a full page up with the page up key. You can also search for strings with the / key followed by a string. Let's look for the string directory, / directory. This highlights the instances of the string directory on the man page. Let's try another search, / output. Now the output string is highlighted. Pressing the N key will go to the next highlighted instance of the string. Pressing the H key brings up the help screen for the manual page. To get out of the help screen, press the Q key. And press the Q key again while on the manual page to go back to the terminal. Okay, let's go back to the manual page for ls. Man ls. The most important parts of the manual page are the name, synopsis, and description. Name is the name of the command, in this case it's ls. Synopsis shows the format. For ls, you can see it's just command, option, and file. In the file's case, it would be a directory path. If you leave that part empty, ls will function on your current directory. An example of the ls command would look like ls option-a for all to the directory home/Cauchy. Description shows the name of the available options for the ls command. There's two ways to use options. I've always used the short method, which is a single dash and a letter. The other way is to use the long method, which is the 2 dashes and the full name of the option. Options with 2 methods of input function the same, such as ls-b and ls-escape will give the same output. The man pages for other commands follow the same format with name, synopsis, and description. Now let's move on to some options for the ls command that I believe are useful. ls-R. The capital R stands for recursive option. What this option does is recursively list the subdirectories in our current directory. ls-R recursive option basically lists every non-hidden directory and its contents. Let's do this command again with the A option included. ls-R A. Recursive list and all options. This basically lists every file and directory at all levels below your current directory. Remember, the -A option for all outputs the hidden files and directories that have a period in the front. ls-S is the sort option. This lists the contents of the directory based on file size, starting with the largest file or directory at the top and the smallest at the bottom. We can check the file sizes by adding the long list option ls-S for sort by size, L for long list. Here we can see the file sizes with the long format, the largest files at the top, the smallest at the bottom. Alright, I think that should be enough to get the gist of how to use a manual page, and to be able to enter a simple command then option with the ls list command. This concludes my Linux terminal commands for beginners tutorial. Navigating the manual page and ls command options, recursive and sort by size. Here are some more Linux for beginners videos. Also, please like or subscribe, but only if you want to. And lastly, thanks for watching.